How to hide Facebook post from timeline. Here's a step-by-step guide. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account if needed. Then click on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right again to access your settings. After that, scroll down until you see the activity log option and open it. Now inside the activity log, select Manage Post. Here you will see all the posts that you have shared on your timeline. To hide a post from your profile, simply find the post you want to hide and click on the three dots next to it. Then choose Hide from Profile. Once you do that, you will notice the post status immediately update to Hidden from Profile. It means it will no longer be visible to anyone who visits your timeline. By following this step, you can hide Facebook posts from timeline.